Hello, welcome to Dams TV Motors. Off the curb then. Got my safety Crocs on. Hang on, I've had a message. It's okay. Right. This channel's about fixing cars on, keeping old cars on the road so you're not buying a new car and falling foul to that nasty sort of government plan to make you buy a new car. Oh, it's old, it's knackered. It's not knackered, just fix it, it'll be fine. No tools.
Go get them then.
What do I need? What did I need? I need that off, don't I?
Yeah, just a flat tip.
Right.
What we're doing is hard this, isn't it? That's why he's doing a video. We're replacing that bulb.
Yeah, but I thought I'd do a video replacing the bulb. If we could polish these headlights. Polish my lights. We could...
does need it a bit.
That's a Torx bit in it as well. See how it's a flathead, but it's a zoom in on that bit. You're as bad as your brother. He's shit at cameramanning. When I'm talking and pointing.
What?
I'm going to kill you. When I'm talking and pointing, you're supposed to look where I'm pointing. Oh my God.
Right, you're pointing there.
Is it any wonder I'm on blood pressure tablets? That's a Torx bit as well as
I can't see the screen now.
as a slotted screwdriver. So you're better with the Torx bit because you'll get grip.
Or just use a flathead because it'll work.
I'll need to go and get some spanners and we'll take the light out and then we'll change the bulb. It's only a quick video. This will be the first one on Dams TV Motors.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Premiere.
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 If you press the camera, you can pause it. Oh. Do I have to go and get a different one? Oh my God. It must be this one. That doesn't want to go in there. What can it be?
Got a flathead, like I said.
I bet I've not. I've not got the right one, have I? Oh my God.
There he goes again. Just noticed. Oh, the spider there. Boiled to death.
What are you doing?
Just recording you using the flathead there, so I'll just fucking get this time.
Yeah, but I thought I'd show the viewers some.
Just thought you'd complicate it, didn't you? That's what you thought. Right.
Them in your pocket.
Hang on. Leave this one here. Uh-oh.
That's what you do, innit?
Yeah, just pull it as hard as you like.
I can't get it out. Oh, hang on.
Right.
If it won't come out, right, if you reach around and press that button, it releases the catch. See that little bit there? Press that.
I'll tell you what, it's quality stuff, this, isn't it?
Quality YouTubing, as always. Which bulb's gone? That little one. So then you can get in here.
You want your bulb out of
I
it.
don't know if you could do it.
I think you would pull it, you know. I do.
Where does that come out of there? You might have to get some long nose pliers.
Pull it, it's not coming out.
Because I thought it twisted, it does twist, but there's no groove to sort of twist it and pull it out of.
Yeah.
And we did the other one. We did the other side, so where did we do it? I have to go. I'm going to get my long nose pliers.
Here goes again. You'd think you'd just get a tool kit, but
We've got some short nose pliers. We've got some long nose pliers. These are only shit ones, really. Scalpel, like a surgeon.
Hang on, let's get a good view.
We'll get a good footage of me breaking it.
Send this to the insurance company.
Oh, it did look like it was coming then. Where do I go? No, So you do, just pull it out. It's actually got grips there on it, but you can't get your mad big fat fingers in that hole. And then that just pulls out. And then this just slots in.
Down to
Do you want to try it? Give me the camera. Riveting footage on Dam's TV. Whoa, hang on. I better move my glasses and everything off the engine. And the bulb. Jesus, hang on a minute. You don't get this. It's not gonna work. Right, go on. No, it's not working. It's not working. Leave it on. We'll have a look. Why is it not working? You really don't know why it's not working? What's that? Are your lights even on? The lights aren't even on.
Hang on, it's on auto, it should just be daytime running lights, should be on. Yeah, I'll learn him something here. The lights on a Ford, there you go, it's on. You see it from here.
Yeah,
Lights on a Ford Fiesta on this panel here, not on your auxiliary controls. I'll do it, innit?
Certainly will. Shove that bad boy back in there.
Oh.
Turn the engine off.
Right, this will be fun. How to get a Ford Fiesta light back in. Oh.
Did you hear the click? That means she's back in.
Like a modern day Dibner, isn't he? He's alright now.
Oh.
You know, it'll click, you know.
It clicks in.
You know.
And
you know.
Oh, that's lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Lovely, you know.
Where's the...
What, your flathead screwdriver told you to get?
Hold on. Everybody else's. Is there any difference, you know? No, they're not the same. They're all the same cookie. Just... Snug that up there. I'll get this tricky one in. Use my spanner fingers. Bit of an angle of the dangle.
Oh, beautiful. Shit himself.
Absolutely beautiful. Hang on.
Just this one there.
Oh, I've got oil on my best pants, idiot. Just torque it. Click, click. Click, click. Click, click. Oh.
What?
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
That's no good, is it?
I'm not getting that in there. Jeez. Oh, I'll show them what I forgot to put back in. See, there's a cover on there to stop water and shit getting in. And I forgot. Forgot to put it in. We should have waited till Liam was up. Would have been funnier content.
Should be a cover on that one.
Oh yeah, there should be. Where's that then? We've not took that off, have we?
No, you've not took it off. As long as it's not, it'll be on a road somewhere. Maybe in the Lake District.
Can you see that one? What's the cover look like?
It's just, hang on, I'll get this for you.
Oh yeah, it's like a rubber cover, isn't it?
That's the back there. That is a rubber cover that should be on the back of that one. I know.
Right, well we'll have to order that as well.
Right, I'll get that ordered then. It won't be in the engine because it would have been. It'll just gone down there and be on the road somewhere.
True. I wonder.
Tell you what, we'll get the viewers to find it. Whoever finds it gets a Dams TV shirt.
So I reckon you see this bit. I've got a new method. Instead of just ragging it out, I think that slides in first and then that gets under there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Rotation. And then like that lip.
Like that. No, go in the old way. No, I'm not found a new way. I'm telling lies. So it's not been a bad little car, this. We bought it for my wife, and then Liam had it for a bit.
No idea what that is.
It's just bits of car.
And I've taken it to a fucking demolition derby. So.
Where the hell's that
whining?
off?
I have no idea.
He's under the gate.
Is it? Alright cocky.
Right, I don't know what that's off. I don't even know what it is.
Oh, car's working without it.
So if you've liked this video, like and subscribe, get in the comments, and that's how you change a shitty little bulb on a Ford Fiesta. Rag it out.
Easy as that. Take it out, put it back in, take it out again.
There will be more to come because I'll go quickly what I've got. I've got a work van. There is a video on Dams TV, on just Dams TV, not Dams TV Motors, fixing, what did I fix? Oh, the ball joints. There's a story behind the Fiesta, the Volvo, that I'll tell you. That's Liam's BMW that got bloody flooded up to the windscreen last Christmas. And this is the Volvo. It's full of shit at the minute because we're if you watch the channel, you'll recognise all that shit from the bedroom makeover that we've done. And that's the Volvo. That needs the Haldex at the back doing. It still works and drives fine, but the Haldex needs fixing, servicing.
Very safe car, that.
Yeah, only one person's ever died in a crash in that car.
Yeah.
Not that car, but an XC90.
Yeah.
Very safe car.
Its entire
solid.
Yeah.
I might be wrong, don't quote me on that, but I'm sure that I've heard a statistic.
Sure, that's what it is.
There's only one person ever died from a crash. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.